Nurse Paul, I'm handing over Mr. George to your care. He was admitted earlier today with chest pain and shortness of breath.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. What is the patient's current status?
Mr. George is currently stable, but his vital signs are still elevated. I've administered pain medication and oxygen therapy. He's scheduled for an electrocardiogram and cardiac markers to assess the extent of the cardiac damage.
Is there anything specific I should be aware of regarding his medical history?
Mr. George has a history of hypertension and high cholesterol. He's taking medications for both conditions. Be mindful of any potential drug interactions with the medications I've administered in the emergency department.
I'll review his medication list and ensure there are no conflicts. Is there anything else I should be aware of, Dr. Mihira?
Please monitor his vital signs closely and report any changes to me. If his condition deteriorates, I may need to consider further interventions. Mihira, I understand you've been experiencing some discomfort, and I want to help you feel more comfortable in ways that don't always involve medication. There are several gentle approaches I can try that many people find helpful for easing pain. One thing I can explore is relaxation techniques. These are simple ways to help your body and mind feel calmer, which can sometimes lessen the feeling of pain. Things like taking slow, deep breaths, listening to soothing music, or even just focusing on a pleasant memory can make a difference. I can guide you through some of these if you'd like to try. Sometimes, just finding a comfortable position can make a big difference. I can help you adjust how you're sitting or lying down, using pillows or supports to take pressure off any areas that might be hurting. Let us know if you feel any particular position is more comfortable, and I'll do my best to help you get there. I can also use temperature therapy, things like warm compresses or cool packs. Warmth can sometimes soothe stiff muscles and improve circulation, while coolness can help reduce swelling and numb pain. I can see which one feels better for you, or even try alternating between them gently. These are just some of the non-medication ways I can try to ease any discomfort you're feeling. I want to make sure you're as comfortable as possible. Now, Mihira, besides the discomfort, are there any other things that have been on your mind? Any other worries or questions at all? Please feel free to share anything.